So it's our final moments in Hanoi, and Hanoi has finally treated us to the most sunshine we've seen all trip. Look at it. Yep, that is the most sunshine we've seen yet. But yeah, there you go. The sun has come out as much as it's going to. As much as I've missed the sun, I know that in the next 2 days, 3 days, it's going to be 39 degrees and blasting sun on us, and I'm going to be sick of it, I can guarantee you.
Welcome to World Rampage Vietnam series.
So I just seen Emma here get delivered one of these. What is it?
This is coffee with milk.
Coffee with milk. So basically like an iced latte, cold coffee. I seen her get it delivered, and I asked the boy, I was like, oh, do you sell these? And he's like, yeah. And he said we deliver them. So yeah, he's gone to go get me one, and I'll tell you how it tastes. Awesome. Thank you so much, buddy. Cheers. Have a good one. All right, $2.20 for this. Let's give it a taste. Wow. That is amazing. Can you order 2 more? Because Yana's going to want a whole one. The name of this drink is Bat Sil, and it's sold at Cafe 86 just off Chicken Street. Yeah. Bye. Catch you later. See you, buddy. Thank you very much. It's there you go, guys. Golden Rooster Hotel is absolutely fantastic.
The people are so friendly, and they just feel like our family, our friends now. So definitely highly recommend.
Yeah, top-notch hotel. One of the best ones we've been to for a while. So yeah, very good.
We had a bit of time to spare, so we decided to walk to the train station.
Alright, so yeah, we're going to cross this road with all of this traffic. Look at all these motorbikes, they're everywhere. And cars, this is like the busiest intersection of all. It's so hectic. Oh my lord! It's a Doge! We found Doge! Ooh, he's gone for that move. Cannot believe he went for that move, guys. How unreal. So we are at Hoi An station. We are catching the night trains to Phong. Yeah. We're just currently going to our gates, which is gate 6, and we will hopefully be able to get on our train soon, because my back is killing me.
Do you have masks? Do you have masks?
No?
There were a lot of other people that didn't have masks, but they didn't get pulled up. I'm pretty sure we got scammed here, because then we had to pay for masks.
So apparently we've got to wear masks here. They have little ramps down the side for your bags. I tell you what, it's dodgy as fuck though. Woohoo! Down it goes. Oh my god. How cramped it is in there. Oh my god. It's a random motorbike going down the platform. Oh, that looks fancy. Yeah, a bit nicer. That's for me. All right, look, we got a little scroll thingy. Let's check it out. Hang on, let me take this off for you guys.
All that's part of it? Yep. Yes. Cool.
Awesome, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, nice little welcome note, and
Thank you.
thank you.
Cheers. Gamoon.
Blah, blah, blah. Free Wi-Fi. Enjoy your time. Cool. And we all got one with our names. That's pretty cool, eh, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is very nice.
So, with my mask on, I'm going to go for a walk down the end and have a look, see what's down there.
Oh, let's go on.
Alright.
Let's go like this.
Skinny little carriages. Me and Jessie are exploring. Exploring.
It's an actual toilet filled with water.
Yeah.
It's not just a long drop.
Yeah.
I thought it would be a toilet with a long drop.
Premium.
We didn't get the long drop. We didn't get the long drop.
Our Dunny's mint.
Yeah, our Dunnies.
Our Dunny, there's nothing wrong with our Dunny.
Alright, how do I change the aircon?
Where is the aircon?
Right here.
Oh, you don't.
What?
The little wheel. The wheel.
This isn't
Oh, there we
too
go.
bad.
I like this.
It's moving.
Hello.
Hello, high five.
There we go, guys.
Oh, that's so much better.
Crank it. There you go.
Oh,
You're welcome.
thank you, because it wasn't reaching our beds, it was just going directly
Yeah, it was all
down.
closed. Whoever was in here last had a bad time. So we got a fair amount of food here, which we already bought a bunch of food, but yeah, we got some more. Hopefully that aircon works a bit better when we start moving. And away we go.
We did it.
We are literally on Train Street, guys. Look how close that is to the train.
People
Look,
are
there's
taking
people
videos.
standing there.
We made it to
That was cool, guys. We're on the other side of Train Street, so there you go. Probably a YouTube first. Being in the train on Train Street. Exploring the train.
We don't know where we're going.
Turns out they separate the two.
Could you imagine?
So, as you can hear, it's pretty loud on here, so I don't reckon any of us are going to sleep tonight, but we'll see. Something a bit different. I'm sure we'll all be fine. We'll get some sort of sleep tonight. So we just closed that door, and it's become heaps quieter.
So we're going to bed now. We're trying to. It is really rocky, and I think we're not going to get much sleep tonight. Anyway, good night. Biggest bag in front of my eyes. Not slept. And I suggest the night train. It's awesome for an experience, but if you want to sleep, don't do it. So in full sleep, we found the window, which you can't see anything because it's dark. But found a window at 4 AM, looking out of it, see if there's anything to see. So I'm gonna sleep on tonight.
Taking any train to travel in Vietnam is definitely worth it. I would highly recommend earplugs for the night train though. Laman Express is probably the best one to choose from. We looked in the other carriages of different companies and ours was by far the fanciest. I was pretty terrified of the cockroaches from other videos I'd seen. I only saw one cockroach right at the end of our trip. The toilets, as Jessie pointed out, were proper toilets and not long drops as they were in other carriages. If you're gonna do this, definitely choose Laman Express. As the day dawned, we enjoyed watching all the scenery as we came closer and closer to Dong Hoi. Check out our next video for all the stuff we see in Phong Nha.